Hey Mountain Kids, it's Rob Wade with a little more outdoor core for you, my grade level 6 Watershed heads. I'm up here at Bucks Lake, and this lake, which is often frozen over in the wintertime, is not, even though there is snow around. But it also allows us to take a view under the surface where the water's been pretty calm because there aren't any boats out here with big wakes that might be disturbing some of the sediment at the bottom of the lake. So I'm right here at the shoreline. I just want you to notice the pattern of deposition. So these are all little, you could almost say, underwater sand dunes, little patterns of sand and silt deposition. But it's been deposited by and settled by water. Like wind will create patterns like this, but so does water. It's really interesting if you look at some of the common patterns that wind and water can both create. And if you also look at the topography or the shape of the land under the water, which we don't often think about that, but basically this Bucks Lake used to be a valley. And so there were all these ravines and meadows down in the bottom of it. And so we don't really think of the land under the water as being land, but this is a land form as well. Sometimes they call the study of sort of the land under the ground is bathymetry or bathymetric, measuring the land underneath the lake or the water. Anyway, I don't expect you to learn all that. I just want, if you get a chance to look at open water at any time, but including right now, I want you to, check this out. It's pretty cool. And you probably even noticed it before when you've been at the beach swimming. But this really popped out and stood out for me, just looking at the shape. Over here, it kind of looks like these lines are at elevation, little contour lines as they wrap around this little cove here. But then they don't continue to contour the same way, which makes you think that the waves are coming this direction, which creates those little patterns, a little, the pattern of the water movement from up at that point, which is one of the main inlets for Bucks Lake, Bucks Creek, and ultimately the outlet is over on the other side. And so even though lakes don't have flow like a river does, there is an inlet and an outlet to any kind of body of water. And anyway, it's just a place to geek out on it and looking at stability and change. Like, this is not going to always be like this, and what changes it, what doesn't change so much around here, and also the patterns of things that we see around us. So anyway, just something I was geeking out on, thought I'd share my geek out with you. And if you're around any kind of open water, go see if you can see what I see. All right, Mountain Kids, get up, get out, check it out. See ya.